guys, welcome to subjectmoney.com. This is just a quick video we're throwing up with an Excel tip that I figured I'd share. And what I'm going to cover here is how to use AutoCorrect to replace a word or maybe an acronym or any other shortcut that you'd want to type in with a different word. And where this would come in handy is, say you work for a company that maybe has a long name, and the company you work for, you're working in Excel, and they require you to type in their name a lot, and especially if it's not consecutively. Like I could go in and type the company name here, and I could just go ahead and drag it down by using autofill. But let's just say that you have to enter in the name sporadically, not consistently like this. You're not going to be able to just keep dragging it down. So you can use autofill. I'll go ahead and undo that. You can use autofill so that way anytime you type in an acronym or something to stand for that company, it will replace with the company name. And I'll show you how to do that. So what you do is you're going to go to File, you're going to select Options, and then you select Proofing here from the dialog box. Okay, when you go to Proofing, you're going to see this button right here. It's AutoCorrect Options. You select that button. You can see right here there's a Replace. It says Replace, and there's a text box, and then With, and there's another text box. So what you're going to do, let's just say the company's name is Company with a really long name, just something like that. Company with long name. So we'll make an abbreviation of CWLN. And we want to replace that. Now let's just say the company you work for, they require you to type the name in full. I'm going to replace it with Company with long name. Press Add. OK. Press OK again. Company with long name. Hit Enter, and you can see they replaced it. So now if you go and it's not let's say right here you have to enter in a different company name, especially if you're, maybe a supplier creating a sheet of different manufacturers of products that you have in inventory. You might not have your list here in a certain order. I mean, I don't really know. I have never had to use it, but I'm sure it could come in handy, and it's good to know just in case. But anyway, you can see it works anywhere in any cell on the sheet. Company with long name, and right there you can see that it replaced it. Okay, now something that's important to know is this is not going to be just for this workbook. I've made this change, and that's gonna this change is going to remain even if I open up a completely new Excel workbook. It's going to happen on every single sheet. You can go here. If I type the same thing in, it's going to happen again. So you have to make sure that you change this whenever you're done working with your workbook. And the way you change it, you just go back to Options, and you go to Proofing, AutoCorrect, and you can see down here there's all the options for AutoCorrect, all the listings. So again, type it in, press delete. Okay, I don't know why this is popping up, but I just hit the cancel if it happens to you. I'm gonna look into that a little bit deeper, see why that's happening. But anyway, that's my Excel tip. It's kind of a data entry tip to make things easier for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out a lot of our other videos on Excel and Excel tips. We also have an Excel for dummies, beginners, newbies, whatever you want to call it. It's a very detailed Excel tutorial, and it goes over all sorts of different it's very detailed, and no matter how knowledgeable you are, how efficiently you can use Excel, I guarantee you're going to come across something that you didn't know before, and it's going to make your experience with Excel a lot easier. All right, well, thanks for watching, and have a good day.